Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the pTron Bassfest Plus in-ear wireless headset. On the front side of the packaging, we can see what the neckband earbuds look like. On the right-hand side and the left-hand side, we have the brand name, the model name, and the product type. There's nothing on the nothing on the top or the bottom. And on the back side, you can see the list of specifications. So it states that they use advanced wireless connectivity, which is basically Bluetooth, but the version has not been mentioned. Transmission range is up to 10 meters. Frequency response is between 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. The drivers in either earbuds happen to be 10 millimeters wide. Speaker impedance is 16 ohms. Speaker sensitivity is 104 decibels with a tolerance of 3 decibels. Mic sensitivity is minus 42 decibels with a tolerance of 3 decibels. Charging voltage is DC 5 volts. Battery capacity is 110 milliamp hours and it uses a lithium polymer battery. Talk time can be up to 6 hours and the playback time is also the same. Standby time is 48 hours, and to get all of that, you would have to charge the device for 1.5 hours. Over here, we've got the manufacturer's contact information as well as pricing details, and that's about it for the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox the device. So first, we have a little thank you note, and on the back side, you've got instructions on how you can register the product for claiming warranty. There's a little QR code on the bottom to take you to the warranty registration website. Then you've got a digital user manual. You should scan the QR code to get to the website where you can find the digital user manual. Inside the packaging, you also get additional ear tips. These are in small and large size. The medium one is already installed on the earbuds. Then we'll have a look at the charging cable. This thing uses a micro USB interface. So you've got that on one side, and on the other end, you've got a normal USB Type A interface. The cable is about 40-45 centimeters long. And the last thing happens to be the neckband earphones. The neckband is extremely flexible. In fact, it has no rigid shape of its own. You've got pods on either side, with one pod being purely for balancing out the weight, and the other pod has all the controls. So on the top side, you've got the center button, which is the multifunction button, and also serves to answer or cut calls or to control playback. Then you've got the volume buttons on either side to increase and reduce the volume. This is a small opening at the bottom. This will be either for the indicator for the device or for hosting the microphone. The same goes for this little orifice on the bottom side as well. Then on the side, you've got a rubber gasket, which opens up to reveal the micro USB interface. And then you have the earbuds. They have a magnetized back, so that's a little convenient. And that's about it. That was the unboxing for the pTron Bassfest Plus in-ear wireless headset. Thank you for watching.